Hi, hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to my class. Today in this class, we are going to start your new lesson of maths, that is money. So open page number 45. Page number 45, money. So children, you all have seen the money, isn't it? Yes, of course you are. Here you can see, these are the money and here these all are the money, isn't it? So money is nothing but the currency. So now children, we are going to, in this lesson, we are going to study what is money. Okay, so first let us know what are rupees and what are paise and how to write these rupees and paise. Okay, so children, here can you see here these pictures? Can you see here? Yes, these are called what? These are called the coins. Yes, these are called the coins. And here, what is this? This is called the note. Okay, so these are called the, here you can see 1 rupee, 2 rupee and here it is 10 rupees. These are the notes, whereas these are the coins, isn't it? Now come to the page number 47. Identify the coins which are equivalent to different notes. So children, can you see this one? Yes, this is of 1 rupee note, isn't it? And here, can you see this one? These are 50 paise and this is 50 paisa. These both are the 50 paisa. Yes, this is 50 paisa and this is another 50 paisa. So 1 rupee, okay, 1 rupee is equal to 250 paisa coins. These are coins and this is note, isn't it? So this is 1 rupee. So 1 rupee is equal to how many paises are there here? 50 paise, 150 paisa and this is second 50 paisa. So 250 paise coins. Okay, 250 paise coins. So children, here 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise or 100 paise. How it is? You can see this is 1 rupee. Okay, we are going to divide it into paise, means 50 paise, 50 paise. So 50 plus 50 is 100. So 100 paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Understood children? So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So what is the symbol of rupee? So this is the symbol of rupee. You know children how to write this one, isn't it? So this is the symbol of rupee. As we know that this is symbol of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, isn't it? In the same way, the rupee is having the symbol like this. Okay, so 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, so the next is, here you can see, it is of 2 rupee note. Can you see this one? Yes, it is 2 rupee note. So when we divide it into rupees, again we are going to divide it into rupees, means 2 rupees means is equal to 1 rupee plus 1 rupee. Okay, 1 rupee coin, this is a note. We are going to divide into coins. So here you can see this is 1 coin, this is another coin, means it is 1 rupee coin, this is another 1 rupee coin. 1 plus 1 is 2 rupee. Again we are going to divide this one. Okay, so here you can see 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 100 paise, means 50 paise plus 50 paise will become 100 paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Here we are having 2 rupees. 1 plus 1 means 100 plus 100. So here see, this is 1 rupee. This is another 1 rupee. Okay. So 1 rupee is equal to 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, means 50 paise plus 50 paisa. So 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa. Here another 1 rupee is equal to 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa. So 100 plus 100 is 200 paise, isn't it? So 2 rupee is equal to 2 1 rupee. Here 1 rupee, another and 1 rupee. So 2 rupee coins. So 2 rupee. This 2 rupee is equal to 1 rupee coins, and these 2 rupees is equal to 1 rupee, 1 coin and 2 50 paise coins. Okay, next is these 2 rupee is equal to how many 50 paise coins? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 50 paise coins. So this 2 rupee is equal to 4 50 paise coins. Means 2 rupee is equal to 4. 4 means what? It is 200. So 2 rupees is equal to 200 paise. Understood, children? So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise and 2 rupee is equal to 200 paise. Okay. Next is here in the same way 5 rupees. Okay, when we are going to divide this note, 5 rupee note into 1 rupee coins, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coins of 1 rupee. Yes, so again we are going to divide it between 2 rupees and 1 rupee. So for 5 rupees note, we need 2 rupees coin and we need 1 coin of 1 rupee. So it will become 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So it will become 5 rupees. So 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise. Okay, so 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise. Understood, children? Here you can see we are having 5 1 rupee coins. Mean 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So means 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise. Understood? Okay, now turn the page. Come to the page number 48. So in the same way, can you see this note? Yes, it is of 10 rupees. It is of 10 rupees note, isn't it? So when we divide this 10 rupees note into 5 rupees coins, so 5 plus 5 is 10 rupees. Okay, again we are going to divide it into 2 rupees. 2 plus 2, 4 rupees. 4 plus 2, 5 rupees. 6 rupees. 6 plus 2, 8 rupees. 8 plus 2, 10 rupees. Okay, again we are going to divide this 2 rupees into 1 rupee coins. Okay, so 10 rupees means we need how many 1 rupees coin? We need 10 1 rupees coin. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now you tell me. So 10 rupees is equal to how many paise? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Means 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. So 10 rupees is equal to 1000 paise. 10 rupees is equal to 1000 paise. Understood, children? Okay, now come to the exercise part which is there on the same page, that is page number 48, exercise 9.1. Fill in the blanks. So first one is 1 rupees has dash 50 paise coins. Okay, how many 50 paise coins together form a 1 rupee? Yes, 2. Okay, 2 50 paise coins will form 1 rupee. Next, 2 rupees has dash 1 rupee coins and dash 50 paise coins. Okay, the 2 rupees has dash 1 rupee coin and dash 50 paise coin. Means what? It is having 2 rupees means it is having 1 rupee coin and dash 50 paise coins. It is having how many 50 paise coins? 2. Isn't it? Here we have done it. Yes, you can see. It is having 1 rupee coin and 2 50 paise coins. All together it will form 200 paise. Isn't it? Okay, now come to the third fill in the blank. There are dash 50 paise coins in 1 rupee 50 paise. So there are dash 50 paise coins in 1 rupee 50 paise. How many 50 paises altogether form 1 rupee 50 paise? Yes, how many 50 coins you need? Means 50 paise coins you need to make it 1 rupee 50 paise? 3. Isn't it? So 50 plus 50 plus 50 become 50 plus 50. 100 means 1 rupee. Again 50 paise means 3 coins you need. Isn't it? 3 coins of 50 paise will make 1 rupee 50 paise. Next is there are dash 5 rupee coins in 10 rupees. There are dash 5 rupees coins in 10 rupees. How many 5 rupees coins will make 10 rupees? Yes, here we have done 1, 2. So we need 2 5 rupees coins to make it 10 rupees. Next is, there are dash 5 rupee coins in 20 rupees. Okay, there are dash 5 rupees coins in 20 rupees. Suppose you are having 20 rupees. Okay. Suppose you are having 20 rupees of 5 coins. Means how many 5 rupees coins you are having? We will have 4. So 4 5 rupees coins altogether will form 20 rupees. Understood, children? Okay, now let's move to the another main. Come to the page number 49. Match the following by drawing lines. So here, can you see this one? It is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 10 rupees and 5 rupees. Here we are having coins. Here we are having notes and here we are having coins. So we have to match it with the correct answer. First one is 1 rupee. So children, here you can see this is 50 paise plus, yes, it is 50 paise plus 50 paise. Okay, and here it is 1 rupee plus 1 rupee, 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees. So now let's match it. So 1 rupee is equal to 50 plus 50. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa will become 1 rupee. So this is the correct answer for this. Next is 2 rupee. Here 1 plus 1, 1 rupee plus 1 rupee coin will become 2 rupee. 5 plus 5 will become 10. Isn't it? So 2 plus 2 plus 1 will become 5. Okay. So here 1 plus 1 is 2 rupees. And here 5 plus 5 it will become 10. So 2 rupees plus 2 rupees, 4 rupees, 4 rupees plus 1 rupee. So it will become 5 rupees. So the answer is there exact beside of it. Here you can see 50 plus 50, 1 rupee, 50 paise, okay, 50 paise plus 50 paise will become 1 rupee, 1 rupee plus 1 rupee become 2 rupees, 5 rupee plus 5 rupee will become 10 rupees. Here 2 rupees plus 2 rupees will become 4, 4 plus 1 rupee will become 5 rupees, isn't it? Okay. Now children, come to the page number 50. Now, how do you tell and write amount of money? Okay, so if you purchased any book, okay, if suppose you have purchased one book, it cost of rupees 20 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, 20 rupees 50 paise, and you know it, how to read it in words. It can be read as a 20 rupees 50 paise. Okay, now the question is that how you are going to write this will in the number form. How you are going to write in a number form means, suppose see here, this is 20 rupees. We'll write this 20. First we have to write the rupees. Okay, then you have to place a dot. You have to put a dot. Okay, then you have to write the paise. How many paises are there? 50. We'll write 50. This much only. No need to write this RUPEES rupees, PAISE paise, PIASE paise like this. Okay, directly you have to write 20. Then you have to put a dot. Then 50 means 20 rupees 50 paise. Whatever the numbers you will write before of this point, it will be considered as a rupees. Okay, and whatever the numbers you will write after this dot or the point, it will be considered as a paise. Okay, so 20 rupees 50 paise. Okay, means here 45 rupees 30 paise. How you are going to read this one? 15 rupees 20 paise. Understood, children? Okay, here 20 rupees 50 paise. You know it, how to read it, isn't it? So 20 rupees for 50 paise. Next is inverse 20 rupees and 50 paise. Same. But in the numbers, how you are going to write? Rupee. You have to use the symbol here. You have to use the symbol of rupee. You know it. Yes, this is a symbol of rupee. So here 20 rupees. We'll write 20 rupees. Then how many paises are there? 50 paise. Means we'll put the dot. Then we are going to write 50. Means 20 rupees 50 paise. Next, in the same way, 75 paise. 75 paise. How you are going to write this one? You are not having money, rupee here, isn't it? So in this case, what you have to write? First, we have to write this rupee symbol. Then, if you are not having any rupee, then write as a 0 dot, then paise. 75 paise. 75 paise. 0 rupees 75 paise. Understood? So the next one is 1 rupee. 1 rupee. How you are going to write it in a number form? Directly you have to write rupee 1.00 means 1 rupee 0 paise, because here we are having no paise, right? So means 1 rupee 0 paise means 1 rupee. Understood? In the same way here, 10 rupees 25 paise. 10 rupees and 25 paise. You can see 10 rupees dot 25 paise. Next, 50 rupees. So 50 rupees. Here we are having no paise, so 00. Rupees 50.00. Understood, children? Okay, now come to the exercise part, which is there on page number 51. Fill in the blanks. Exercise 9.2. Fill in the blanks. First one here. The currency of India is. What is the currency of India? It is rupees. Okay, RUPEES, rupees. Next, the smaller unit of rupee is. What is the smaller unit of rupee? Yes, it is. Here it is there. Paise. Okay, paise. The smaller unit of rupee is paise. Next, the symbol of rupee is. Yes, very good. Next, the number form of 2 rupee is. How you are going to write this 2 rupee in the number form? First, you have to write the symbol of rupee. Then we have to write 2.0. We are having no paise, means 2 rupees 0 paise means 2 rupees. Understood, children? Okay, next one here it is there. So here they have given the blank. You have to fill this all these blanks. Okay. So first do the this first one. Okay. So oral form, here we are having in words, then in numbers. First one, here is a blank. You have to fill it. 66 paise. So we'll write 66 paise. 66 paise. 66 paise. Then here you can see 66 paise. There is no rupee, isn't it? Next, 1 rupee. How you are going to write it? You have to write in words. So we'll write ONE1 rupees. RUPEE. 1 rupee. Here it is there in the number form. 1 rupee. Next, 20 rupees 50 paise. 20 rupees and 50 paise. So in the number form, how you have to write? First we'll write this 20 rupees. 20. First you have to write the this one, symbol of rupee. Okay, 20 rupees. Then dot. Put the dot. Then write the paise. It is 50. We'll write 50. Okay, in the same way you try to do this 4 and 5 by yourself. Okay, children. Now children, come to the page number 52. Converting rupees to paise. Okay, and you know that 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 100 paise or 100 paise. Now we are going to learn how you are going to convert rupee to paise. Suppose you are having 2 rupees. Okay, suppose you are having 2 rupees. How we are going to convert it into paise? So here 2 rupees. Okay. So when a rupee is to be converted to paise, okay, rupees will convert it to paise multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100. When a rupee is to be converted to paise, multiplied by 100. So 2 into 100. You have to multiply it. Okay, this is rupee and these are, you have to multiply it by 100. So here 200, 200, 2 ones are 2. So 2 into 100 is equal to 200. 200 paise. Okay, so 2 rupees equal to 200 paise. In the same way, 8 rupees. Okay, so we have to convert this 8 rupees into paise. So 8 into 100. You have to multiply this 8 by 100. So 8 into 100 is equal to 8 into 100 is 800. See here, 800, 800, 8 ones are 8. So 800 paise. Understood, children? So in the same way, here you can see in this table 3 rupees. So multiply by 100. 3 into 100 is 300 paise. So 5 rupees, 5 into 100, 500 paise. So 6 rupees, 6 into 100. So 600 paise. Next, 9 rupees, 9 into 100 means 900 paise. Understood, children? Okay, so now let us take some another example. So conversion of rupees and paise into paise. How we have to convert the rupees and paise into paise. Okay, let us take one example here. 1 rupee 25 paise. Okay, so here I will going to write this example. 1 rupee 25 paise. Okay, let us see how to convert the rupee and paise into paise. So first here I am going to convert this rupee. So children, when both the rupees and paise are given and they have to be converted to paise, multiply only the rupee. First you have to multiply the rupee by 100. Okay, by 100 and add the paise to the product. So first we are going to convert this rupee into paise. You know it, how to convert it. You have to multiply by 100. Very good. So we'll put the bracket 1 into 100. Okay, now close the bracket plus 25 paise as it is I am going to write. So let us multiply it. 100, 100, 1 ones are 1. You know how to do multiplication. Already you have done it, isn't it? Next, it is paise. We are going to write P means paise plus 25 paise as it is. Okay, next, now you have to add this 100 plus 25. 100 plus 25. So 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 1 is 1. So 125. So 125 paise. Understood, children, how to convert the rupee and paise into paise? Okay, now let's take another example. So 9 rupees 5 paise. Okay, so first you have to convert this 9 rupees into paise. Means bracket 9 into 100, close the bracket, then put the plus mark here, then 5 paise. So now let's multiply it. 900, 900, 9 ones are 9. 900 paise plus 5 paise as it is. Now add it. 900 plus 5. So 0 plus 5, 5. 0 is 0. Then 9 is 9. So 905 paise. So 905 paise. Understood, children, how to convert the rupee and paise into paise? Okay. So next here, conversion of rupees to paise orally. Okay, without writing how you have to convert the rupee to paise. So here, can you see this here? First one, rupees, and here it is a paise columns, right? So first one, rupees, 5 rupees, isn't it? Here can you see here? It is 5 rupees 0 paise. Okay, so children, if we remove this zero, if we remove this dot, okay, if we remove this dot between rupee and paise, if you remove this dot, so it will become 500, isn't it? So if we remove the dot between rupee and paise, the number which remains, it represents paise. So it will become paise. For example, here 3 rupees 25 paise, isn't it? So now if we remove this dot, so it will become 325, isn't it? So it will become 325 paise. Okay, so here next one, 6 rupees 55 paise. It is rupees. When we convert it into paise, we get, yes, here if we convert this rupees into paise, we'll get 655 paise. In the same here, 4 rupees 5 paise. Yes, sorry, 4 rupees 05 paise. So here, how to convert into paise? If you remove, you have to remove this dot, so it will become paise. So 405 paise. Understood, children? So here 6 rupees 19 paise. Here 619 paise. 5 rupees 6 paise. 506 paise. Here 0 rupees 95 paise. 95 paise. Okay, next here. Suppose here is a 0, means it is 95 only. You know it, right? Next, 9 rupees 90 paise. So 990 paise. Understood, children? So if we remove the dots between rupees and paise, the numbers which remains, it represents what? Paise. Understood, children? Okay. Now children, come to the page number 54. Okay, exercise 9.3. Convert following into paise. So here are the rupees, we have to convert into paise. Okay, first one is here. Can you see this one? Yes. 3 rupees 0 paise. So how we have to do it? Yes, you just need to remove the dot. You have to remove this point from the rupee, between the rupee and the paise. Okay, you will get the paise. So here 3. Okay, don't put the dot, directly 0, 0, 0, 0. So it will become what? It will become paise. In the same way, here 7 rupees. So here just write this 7, 0, 0. Don't put this dot. Okay, so it will become paise, 700 paise. In the same way, 8 rupees. So you just remove it, so it will become 800 paise. Isn't it? Here 2 rupees 25 paise. You just need to remove this dot. So 2, 2, 5. So 225 paise. Next, 6 rupees 25 paise. So just need to remove this dot. So it will become 6, 2, 5 paise. So 625 paise. Understood, children? So in the same way, you just try to do this all remaining by yourself. Okay, now come to the second main. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so here are the rupees and the paise. We have to convert it into paise. Okay, so first one here. One is done for you. 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise or 100 paise. You know it, right? Next one. 5 rupees. 5 rupees is equal to? Yes. Tell me, 5 rupees is equal to? Yes, very good. It is 500 rupees. Isn't it? We have done it. Yeah, right? Okay, next. 2 rupees is equal to 200 paise. Very good. Next, here. 1 rupee 75 paise. 1 rupee 75 paise. How you are going to convert it? Okay, we are going to use the which method which we have done here? Yes, do you remember here? Conversion of rupee and paise into paise. Yes, this method we are going to use here in this case. Okay, 1 rupee 75 paise. Okay, let's do it. So here it is there, 1 rupee 75 paise. Okay, first we have to convert this rupee into paise. How? Yes, we have to multiply by 100. Very good. So 1 into 100. Okay, next plus, you just put the equal is equal to 1 into 100 in the bracket plus here 75 paise as it is, you have to write. Right? Next one, let's multiply it. 100, 100, 1 1 za 1. It is paise plus 75 paise. P in the sense it is paise. Okay, now let's add it. 100 plus 75. So 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. 1. 0 means 1. Isn't it? Next, so 175 paise. Understood, children? Yes. So here 1 rupee 75 paise is equal to how many paise? 175 paise. So 175 paise. Isn't it? So in the same way, children, you try to solve this remaining by yourself. Okay.